Hello everyone, Matt Hoots here with Sawhorse, and I'm at the Atlanta Build Expo when we're about to go in and talk to some of the vendors that are here in 2020 and try to source some new products for our projects and also see if there's any other people that we recognize and say hi to them. Welcome to another episode of Fresh Air Fridays. In this episode, we are going to look at some of the new technologies that are out there for helping keep you and your family safe when in public. We just came back from a Builders Expo, and one of the technologies they had in place was this infrared scanner hooked up to a monitor, and you can see one, who was wearing a mask, and two, if they had a fever. And this definitely makes people that are going into these public places feel safer about going into these places. Something else that they pointed out as a feature is this is also good for private offices. So if you have people working in close proximity that are essential workers, this is something that you can use for you and your work staff so they can stay safe. So, all right, let's talk to Darrius, and he's going to explain how this technology works. Hello, everyone. I'm here with Darrius with C3 Communications. They have this safety technology that allows us to know if people have COVID-19 or if they're sick, or they can also detect zombies as well. So, tell us a little bit about how this works.
All right, so this how this works is basically you step in front of the camera here. The camera detects your temperature, and it also displays. If you see individuals walking by now, it also displays in color phases. So it detects whether you're wearing a mask. It detects your temperature. It also will detect elevated temperature. So we have it set to pre-alarm at 99.5 degrees, and it will turn red if somebody comes in contact with the camera that's 99.5. And then if it's 100.4, which is the CDC recommended guidelines, then it'll definitely pause on the screen and it would generate an alert. And then the employer or whomever is monitoring the system would then need to acknowledge that alert, and then they would have the ability to send an email or a screenshot to the powers that be. We suggest after they do that, pulling the person to the side and doing a secondary temperature check with just the handheld to verify that the readings are correct and accurate, and then moving along from there. But with this system, you can definitely, it keeps a running record of individuals that have passed by. We also have the ability to do access control based on facial recognition. So a few different technologies comes along with it.
So, you guys work for the NSA, or is this like who gets access to this? Is it just for the people that are occupying the space and are renting it from you, or buying it from you and yourselves, or like who has access to the data?
Well, the user or the employee or employer are the only ones that have access to the data. Um, as long as this particular system is set up, it's recording now. But once you close out of it, all of the data goes away. So it's not storing anything on a permanent basis. It can be configured that way, but because of HIPAA violations and things like that, we kind of leave that piece of technology to the customer to figure out.
Got it. All right. Well, I appreciate your time with this. Is there anything else we need to know about this, or any other services that you guys provide besides this scanning technology?
Yeah, so C3 Communications is a low voltage data provider. We provide structural cabling. So we do Cat 5, Cat 6 data installations. We do fiber optic data installations. We do access control. So your badging systems, key card systems, getting in and out of office spaces, warehouses, or industrial complexes. We
Hello,
provide
everyone.
all
Matt
of that
Hoots here with
technology, as well
Sawhorse, and
as
I'm
we
at
do
the
managed
Atlanta Build
wireless network
Expo. We're about to go
services
in and
and
talk to
managed
some of the
IT
vendors that
services.
are
So
here
we
in
kind of
2020
do a
and
plethora
try to
of
source
different
some new
services. We're
products
known
for
as
our
a systems
projects
integrator.
and
We're able
also
to
see
take
if there's any other
basically
people
a
that we recognize and
project
say
from
hi to them.
start to finish.
Well, thanks for having this technology here, and you guys had it at the entrance. And if it weren't for you, we wouldn't have the show right now because we wouldn't. Nobody feel safe walking through the show.
Absolutely. We've
All
been
right.
able to screen everybody coming in and make sure everybody's safe.
Okay. All right. Thanks,
Thank
Darius.
you
Have
so
a good
much.
day.
You too.
Thanks again for watching this video, and if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And for more information on this product and other products like it, we've got a link in the description. We've loaded up some more videos just like this in a playlist off to the right. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.